Today for the Bitcoin price, and yes guys, you read the title right. The last time Bitcoin did what it did today, what it is doing right now, was in the year of 2012. What is going to happen to Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term? I will be talking about that. I will be going straight into the charts and tell you that Bitcoin is actually right now doing exactly what we were predicting in the last 48 hours in the last two videos. I will be going into it. I will talk about my trades, about my future trades, and about my current trades. But the most important thing is actually the next trade I am going to put in for Bitcoin. So let's go straight into the charts right now, and of course guys, smash up the like button so we will get the next candle for Bitcoin being green and as big as the Burj Khalifa as always. Let me go here straight into the charts and show you what I am looking out for Bitcoin right now. So we are starting here as always on the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin, and as you remember, I was talking about yesterday how we are still evolving in that falling wedge here, which was evolving from a rising wedge. And of course, quick recap, I was also showing you that Bitcoin usually retraces down to the 50% or the 61.8, and of course this was the exact 61.8, pointing towards the fact that maybe this dump here is already over and that maybe we are not going to see at least not in this dump levels sub 50,000 US dollars. But let me talk about that. So first of all, you probably remember how I was talking about this W pattern here on the 15-minute candles, which broke out, and how I was predicting number one, this price target, and number two, this exact price target. Let me quickly recap before I go into my price targets what I was saying earlier. Please guys, listen to this video 2 days ago, just a few seconds. The second V breakout confirmation. What we need for this W to confirm is the break above the previous rejection point. When we are breaking above, well, fine, then we are probably also going to reach our bullish price target of 55,000. What I'm really looking out for is finally another retest here of the downward sloping resistance. So this was, I was predicting first of all this price target, and then eventually also the retest of the downward sloping resistance, which is exactly what we were retesting here. And then I was telling you to probably take some chips from the table, because come on guys, trading one-on-one, when we are actually reaching resistance, a price target which is also resistance, it always makes sense to take some chips from the table. And as you can see, the Bitcoin price was retracing thereafter. Look at this. This is what I was recommending yesterday. Exactly, we did that here. If you are right now, according to my prediction here, in a profitable trade, well, you might as well take some chips from the table. So as you can see, of course, it makes sense to take chips from the table, not to close the whole trade, but to take chips from the table. But the matter of fact is we are still in that pattern. It is of course possible that we are going for another retest of the neckline, or even of this reload zone, how I call it. And yeah, worst case would be actually a retest here. I mean, worst case in the bullish scenario, a retest of the downward sloping support among the levels of 50,000 US dollars here before we are eventually going up. I personally lean towards the bullish scenario here, which will bring us a price target of this horizontal, this horizontal price target, the technical target of the falling wedge breakout, which would be among the 61,750 US dollar levels. Eventually, I'm personally looking out for the AB equals CD target. This was actually the target which I also helped me to predict this price here. We take it from the bottom to the top, and then you replicate this, and it predicted this exact price target here. And it happens, it helps over and over again actually. And as you can see here, the next one would actually bring us all the way closely below the 70,000 US dollar price levels. This is my price target in the immediate short term, and this is of course what I'm looking out for the next few days for Bitcoin. The invalidation point is actually, and this is something very important for me, let me go quickly to the daily candles. The invalidation point where I'm saying, okay, pound the tables for all the Bitcoin bears out there, where I'm saying, okay guys, here I am also getting back into my cautious mode I just had a few days ago, which were invalidated by these Elon Musk news. And you can see we got price action to the upside. I was criticized for that, but so far this was great. My invalidation point is when Bitcoin breaks on the daily below the EMA ribbon, which is the 50-day moving average, because this would be converging also with a break below the bullishly biased pattern here. When we are breaking below, closing a daily below, I will tell you guys, okay, I flip bearish in the immediate short term. This is not happening right now. There's no reason so far to freak out and to bank here on the bearish scenario as well, because on the daily, on the weekly, we are. I actually forgot to mention, I want to show you that in the charts. I'm recording this actually after the previous recording, but this is interesting, guys. This is something I forgot here. I just didn't see it. Right now, you can see the EMA ribbon is about to flip bullish. I mean, it takes a few more 4-hourly candles. But remember what I told you earlier. And let me quickly diminish this here, guys. This is getting interesting now. This is getting interesting. I will just cut that in the middle of the video. Every single freaking time this one flips bullish, Bitcoin goes bullish every single time. This one, the short-term yellow average goes below the long-term one, well, Bitcoin flips bearish. And once the yellow moving average flips above the red once again, Bitcoin flips freaking bullish again. I mean, go back 10 years, every single time. We flip below, bearish, flip below, above, bullish. Well, we flip below, bearish. And right now, I mean, it's not confirmed yet. Right now, Bitcoin is about to do that. So what we can do right now is, let's keep an eye on the charts, on the 4-hourly, and let's wait for the 4-hourly EMA ribbon to flip bullish again, for the short-term yellow moving average flip above the red one again. This is what I'm looking out for. And now, let's go back into the initial video, and I want to tell you guys, please watch it until the very end. Let's go back. I will put that inside. Bye-bye. And now, guys, let me go into that next point. You are waiting for this update here, about this update, what Bitcoin is doing right now, which it was doing the last time, right, believe it or not, in 2012. I want to be talking about that. I want to give you a quick update also, guys. Where is it? Right here in the pinned comment down below. I'm very happy. I mean, we actually partnered up with PrimeXBT quite some time ago. They had a huge update actually. I'm very happy to onboard them as his partner and sponsor of our channel. And if you click the link here down below, you actually get a 50% bonus, which you can use for fees and so on. So you deposit 1 Bitcoin, you get half a Bitcoin for fees on the specific platform. I have an account there myself. I pretty like it, especially here after the update. And here you can see it actually. If you click the link, you get a 50% bonus. Before I go here into this one thing Bitcoin is doing right now, which it did the last time in 2012, I wanted to update you about this big update because I think that was a good reason here to talk about it, because many people are actually asking, what platforms are you personally trading on? And they actually added multiple currencies here, not only Bitcoin, Ethereum, also you have different stable coins. And this is the deal, guys. This is actually what it's about. This is what I'm talking about here, the co-vesting module. Because what you can do on that platform is you can participate not only in trading, you can also do the co-vesting module where you can see the most successful traders, and by co-vesting you can basically automatically copy trade their trading. So you can see, okay, this guy is 35% in a profit. You also have like a ranking. Okay, this guy's profit is like 3,000%, actually lower than my percentage return. As you remember, we had crazy trades like 3,000% trades, 2,000% trades, 1,500, multiple of them. So probably I would have outperformed then. Sad that I didn't join back in the days, would have been nice. But there are many other good traders, and you have here, yeah, of course, you can just sort them by their total profits and then just copy trade their trades basically on that specific platform. So if you want to be taking part there, make sure you go down to the pinned comment down below. This is the link, and you get the 50% bonus, which covers fees and so on. If you click it right now, you can sign up and make this account, and please make sure that you use this bonus code here, BULL50. And yeah, with that being said, let me quickly go back into the chart here. So what looks here, yeah, not. I already wanted to say it doesn't look very crazy, but actually it looks very crazy. What we are having here is the monthly candles, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 green monthly candles, and we have not seen that for Bitcoin since 9 years. And of course, this is driven by these crazy institutions actually joining the market. But I can tell you guys, even with their support, because the only reason the last time we had that was actually here in 2012, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we had even a downtrend. And I mean, Bitcoin was between $1 and $30, $1 and $150 actually, between $1 and $3 and $150. And it was not so spectacular, because maybe you needed like $10 million to pump the price so high. Right? It was the early days for Bitcoin. Bitcoin was severely undervalued. So it was much easier to pump the Bitcoin price. Here we already need like PayPal, MicroStrategy, Elon Musk for these things. So of course, it looks a little bit unhealthy, I have to say. And I just wanted to tell you guys, the last time we did that, we went into a significant retracement, basically speaking about, it doesn't look so crazy, but this is a 75% retracement. Are we going to see that this time? I actually don't think so. Just wanted to prepare you guys. We will see a completely red month. whether it's April. Actually, to be honest, unlikely. April is usually beautiful for altcoins, beautiful for Bitcoin, but you never know. I just wanted to prepare you because we have a lot of people watching here, which just joined the last few weeks, the last few days, the last few months. I just had a followers meetup recently with Tone Vase, Mo, and many other people, Carl from the Moon. And well, if you think about it, I talked to those people, beautiful people, of course, but the people who joined recently, they didn't experience these crazy bearish price action because for 6 months we only had bullish price action. Please be prepared that one of the next following month will be just completely bloody. And it doesn't mean that the bull market is over. It doesn't mean that Bitcoin is dead. This is just completely normal price action for Bitcoin that we are retracing down. It's probably gonna be only like a 30-40% retracement because I personally think that this is the first one. We are going to get one rejection down, one big shakeout. This is the institutional run, the institutional load up. One shakeout where all the retailers are creating selling volume for these people because the OTC markets are actually dried out. And then in the second one, we are eventually going up. In the second one, we are eventually, going to get all the retail in. And this is unfortunately the one where probably many of these institutions are going unload onto our backs, basically. This is just what I wanted to prepare you guys. Something historical is happening. 6 months of Bitcoin price action, man. It was beautiful. I'm not saying that it's gonna end. Just wanted to tell you, be prepared. It might end sooner than later. And of course, I personally predict a second run towards the upside, maybe towards the end of the year, October, November, December. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. And we will see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always. Bye-bye.